How's it going, everybody? Andrew with Branson Cerakote Applicator Hangout. So today I'm going to talk to you guys about some color shifting pigments. I'm pretty sure everybody's seen the video going around on Facebook for a SHOT Show. Believe it's called Smoke Coat or whatever. We've done this before in the shop. All it is a color shifting pigment. You can buy it off Amazon. I've got a sheet here. This is from Thermochromic powder pigments. I believe that's the name of the company. We got a QR code so you guys can just scan this. We'll have a little link. So just scan that. That'll take you, I believe, to their company. But you can just buy it off Amazon. It ships, get it in 2 days. But the idea behind this is, your cup's black. Get this heat gun a little warm. And as soon as the heat transfers, you can see the design underneath it. So there's like a little galaxy theme on this one. And they have tons of different ones. So you have some that's going to change heat at like 87 degrees, 100 degrees, 180 or something like that. So you could totally use it on barrels. You could use it on your hand guards. There's all different ways to do it. But it's a fairly simple process. Just keep in mind this does mix with your clear coat. You kind of have to play around with the exact measurements. I believe I took an entire bottle of that and mixed it with my clear coat, and I think it was 5 ounces to an entire, one, you get like a little container of it. I don't know how much is in that container. I threw it away before I started this video, so I apologize. But whenever you get that, I just mixed it in with, I think it was either 4 or 5 ounces. Same as your FX, and I believe it's 5 ounces. Mix that in. If you're doing single color, then you're going to use your H series. It's going to set up quicker. It's going to be easier. Just make sure you're giving everything about 15 minutes in between coats. These took multiple coats to do. I believe this cup, because it's a little bit brighter, I want to say it was around 9 to get it to turn black. It kept darkening and darkening, and it just took forever to get it to go through. This one took about 6 coats, so it takes a while to do it because you're letting everything sit out for 15 minutes. Because I had to use C series on this anyways. So with the C series, you definitely want to take your time with, because it's going to want to sag. It doesn't seem like it's real heavy like the metal flakes is, so it's not going to sag as bad or as quick, but it is still going to want to sag on you. So just take your time, let it kind of get a little sticky, and then put another coat on, and just so forth. But I hope you guys enjoy the video, and can't wait to see what you guys' projects look like. Thanks.